If you're using the free version of ElevenLabs, there is one thing that you need to do when you're publishing your content to the internet, which is you have to add the attribution on your content, telling the users or the audience that you're using ElevenLabs when you're making the content. But the question is where and how you should put that in the content, where you put that attribution in your video or in your podcast. Well, according to the legal page of ElevenLabs, you have to put that attribution in the title. It is not in the description or it is not in the video itself. You have to put that in the title. You have to put words like ElevenLabs.io or Eleven.ai for simplicity. For example, here I have this YouTube dashboard mockup, and I saw some people putting the attribution in the video description. And even though I believe that ElevenLabs is not going to make any trouble out of that, I think it is always a good idea to just follow the recommendation from ElevenLabs when it comes to adding attribution to the content. So instead of putting it into the description, you want to put that into the title. So this title is My Minimalist Podcast. You can add something like, let's say, dash and then Eleven.ai, or you can also use just bracket Eleven.ai, or you can just use the full name, which is ElevenLabs.io. You can use that, and that's totally fine. So the most important thing here is that you have to use that, you have to put the attribution in the title. Now, what if right now you are using the free version of ElevenLabs, but next month you want to subscribe to the pro plan like starter or creator? Should you still put the attribution in the video? Well, the answer is no, not anymore. But for the content that was created when you are using the free plan of ElevenLabs, you still need to keep that attribution even though you're not in the free plan anymore. So it is necessary. It's actually laid down in this page. In short, everything generated during your paid subscription is yours to use commercially forever. Whereas anything created before or after the subscription period will never be usable commercially and will always require attribution when posted non-commercially. So you have still to put that even though you are not using the free plan anymore, but the content that was created in the free plan still need to put the attribution. So that's basically how you can properly attribute ElevenLabs on your content. So I hope you find this video to be useful, and in any case, I wish you a great day ahead. Take care.